I dropped over 8 Gs into this build, and this is how my car looks at the moment. I would have never taken this car. I leaned on people who did not share my vision. Hey guys, you know my Civic, it's absolutely killing me. I'm no longer sure if I'm gonna succeed to wrap this one up, and I feel terrible about it. And I wanted to share it with you, all these mistakes which I did, and I did plenty of them. If you are about to start your first project, if you are also a beginner like I am, hear me out because I think that's beneficial. All these mistakes, I could have avoided them, and I would like to list you 5 top mistakes I did. I would like to start from the smallest one and build my way up to the biggest one. Mistake number 1, romanticizing your first build. Romanticizing this project is the main reason why I even started. That dream feeling is awesome. It's a great thing, but without turning it into a solid plan, without concrete timelines and budget planning, you're gonna spiral. And this is something what's gonna demotivate you, and this is gonna jeopardize your whole build. My attitude was, let me just get this car, and then I'm gonna deal with everything along the way. Wrong. You cannot do that because so many things can go bad and you're gonna end up quitting. So don't do that. Tip: plan your timeline, plan how you buy your parts, plan your budget. Mistake number 2, don't rush into anything. We all have that one car in mind, and as soon as we got a chance, we're gonna jump at it, we're gonna buy it. That was the same thing with me. As soon as my neighbor contacted me and told me, like, I'm fed up with this car, they are trying to repair this roof for 2 years now, I'm done, I'm gonna take it to the scrapyard. As soon as I heard that, for me, like, now is the time. This is the car that I'm watching since 20 years now, I wanna have it. That's why as soon as he contacted me, I said, yes, let's do it. I offered him $500. We shook hands, we sat in my car, we went and we picked up the Civic. I practically bought this car blind. I knew it was in a very bad shape, but that didn't matter. I was like, no, I'm gonna take it now and I'm gonna repair it. So that's not how it works. You need to bargain, you need to inspect the car. If I saw all this rust, structural damage, I would have never taken this car. This is so bad. This is just insane. Inspect your car thoroughly, bargain, because all the money you save, you're gonna use it afterwards for buying the parts, and that's where you really need it. Mistake number 3, researching common issues and parts availability for this particular model. This is something what you need to do before you buy your first project car, and not like I did. I did it afterwards, and I also didn't do this research thoroughly. I went online, I checked a couple of panels. There were some wheel arches, quarter panels and side rockers, and they were like brand new for $45 or something like that. And I was like, oof, this is gonna be great. I'm gonna invest $400 into this project and I'm gonna have everything. But wrong. Most of the panels, this particular model, are discontinued. So I ended up buying used parts, which are insanely difficult to find and expensive. Parts for cars which are 30 years old are way more expensive than parts for modern cars. This is insane. I ended up paying $200 for the trunk lid only. Don't do that. Investigate, make a research, try to find all the parts which you will need, and then decide if this particular model is good for your first build. Mistake number 4, know your skills. Be honest with yourself, because if you buy a job that you can't do, then you're gonna end up outsourcing, and this is so expensive. It's not just expensive when we're talking about the money, it's expensive when we're talking about time. What I did, I bought my car blind. I didn't know at the moment that there's gonna be so much welding involved, structural parts, plenty of rust, and I don't weld at all. My plan was to learn how to weld, but of course I didn't have enough time. I didn't create the timeline. I still don't know how to weld. In order to proceed, I had to outsource this. I leaned on people who did not share my vision. This is not their project. It's all on me. But they just did not follow the timeline. This is how I ended up being stuck at this phase for 3 months now, and there's no progress. This is why video 2 and 3 are all about welding. I want to see progress. You as well. Tip: don't buy a job you can't do. Plan, be honest with yourself. If you can't weld, don't buy a project car where there's a ton of welding involved. Mistake number 5, the big one. This is an absolute budget killer. It's when you don't buy your parts stage by stage, when you don't plan ahead. I got caught in buying all the parts that I came across. The reason why is because I believed that if I don't buy them right away, they will be gone for good. Wrong. There will always be someone parting his car. You will be able to find them. Or in the worst case, you will fabricate them. But don't do what I did. I bought so many parts for much later stages. And now they are sitting on my shelves and my budget is drained and I don't have cash for the paint job. So actually to finish the current stage that I'm in. I dropped over 8 G's into this build, and this is how my car looks at the moment. Tip: buy parts stage by stage. Please share in the comments if you face the same problems and what you did to fix them. And also please tell me if I should proceed with this project. Thank you guys for watching.